that's Vicky from the UK.
Vicky from the UK. What if I love and manners, respect, blessings to this. Really appreciate it a lot, isn't it?
Oh, that's it, you look rich.
Sure. You always say, not even Bill Gates rich, so.
No, stars.
Not even Zuckerberg.
Crime if Bill Gates rich like this. Mushroom.
Quick! Chicken dinner.
Well, it's like a chicken for real.
Not chicken.
Mushroom have you, right? And I jerk one you do it.
No, man, I get a brown stew like a Sunday dinner.
Me don't know what them a pre about. Akeynote, can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop down and lose me feel. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day them.
Well. Blessed love, blessed love, blessed love. Boy, it's a windy day. It's really a windy day. It's windy day. So, and it's a sunny day as usual here, in Jamaica. It's sunny and so windy. So guys, just guess what I've been missing so much while I was away. Can someone tell me, please? Can someone tell me? Yeah, guys, I just got my hairstyle. I just done my hairstyle as well too. So while I was getting my hair done, trust me, there's one thing on my mind. I couldn't wait because I am heading to Ivo Spice. Oh gosh, I'm heading to Ivo Spice. You know how much I miss that Ivo Spice food right now. While I was away, I was craving for some Ivo Spice food. I definitely can say I'm going to get the opportunity to go and get some Ivo Spice food today and some of those natural juice that I literally been missing so bad. So bad. And then now after I eat, I literally gonna get the ice cream and them things there for ice cream and stuff for the back to school, because I got a list of stuff that I need to go and get myself, for the back to school treat. So everything is literally planned out for today. So let me go fuel my engine. Hold on. Woo. The sun is nice, it's warm, it's very nice as well as you're getting some breeze with it. So yeah, so let me go get myself some Ivo Spice food. Oh my days, it's been a while. It's like it feels like it was forever the last time I had some Ivo Spice food, so can't wait to reach there. Then I'm gonna go out to the barber shop quick and fast because it's been a while I haven't get a haircut, since I was away, since the time I was away. So after I eat, barber shop, and then go and take on the road. So I start my duty well early so I can make sure I do my run-ins and everything, so no weirdo clothes and me. So here we are. So see you when I get to Ivo Spice, where everything is nice. Sight. So I'm here. Feels so good to be back here on Orange Street. Once I said Orange Street, it's Ivo Spice that I'm talking about. To come get the well healthy food. Whoa. I strain.
Who that?
Oh. Live.
No, but I was Canada. I want to bring my from Canada. I'm Clark. England thing that.
Yeah. It's England thing, star.
Famous for about.
Why it's good.
Famous for forward.
Yeah, good to be forward. Why I need this eyebrows for his food right now. Aye. Rastafari. Yeah. Up on arrival. Yeah. Yeah, say up on arrival. Mushroom? Yeah, forward road on the side there. Yes. Yeah. Manners.
Ready to fly out?
Yeah.
Let's see you.
Manners. Come on, flying in now. You fly in now, you know. Well, I was dreaming on those Ivers Fires food star. Yeah? Mushroom.
Quick! Chicken dinner!
Well, it's like a chicken for real.
Chicken dinner!
See that one?
The right time the warrior come forward, you know?
Right time.
And
Imagine that.
I hear juice them there, you know? Herbal egg and beetroot.
And the beach
Oh,
road.
look at that.
Look at this. This is like my fried chicken, but it's
You go
not.
from there.
But it's not.
Not chicken.
Mushroom have you, right? And I jerk one here, do it.
No, man, I get a brown stew like a Sunday dinner. Yeah, I love that one, man.
Well, this can cook them as a meal itself.
Yeah, that's what happen.
Yeah, I eat one as a meal. I see. Look
So you want this with the quinoa and you don't want the rest or something?
Yeah, I want that as well. So.
So I could have
Look like some brown stew.
take a get that.
Chicken, but guys, it's not chicken.
Oh, trick him!
No, chicken. Yeah.
A brown stew, trick him.
Yeah, this is not the brown stew.
Chicken is trick him.
Chicken. Well, now, like, but then people must say, boy, Keenan, you probably miss Ibus Fires food now.
Boy,
I'm say,
your
what?
fans them coming up.
Yeah.
Them come and say, Keenan, you ever say no? I know.
Yeah. Cause you're watching.
I'm looking.
Guys, look on this one. Cheers. I realize I years I watch before I even turn up right here.
Yeah, man.
Years. I remember the first time when I come around here and the mister say, guess who? Keno there here. I watch me long time. Long time.
Long time. I'm an Empress named Internet warrior, you know.
Yeah.
Warriors, you know.
The real warrior.
Right now, some rumba saw. I left for about out.
Yeah.
In a forest.
Yo, I want some of them hidden spots where I see shot going. I want pass through them spots in the Iowa. I say I forgot link you for you at least. You know.
You wake up on a retreat.
Yeah.
Now I keep a retreat, man. I make some warrior come. Relax and eat good food and.
I just can't imagine a retreat that we eating all this good food, drinking those herbal drink. You know. Or have your sip.
Yeah, sit there.
Let me get one small sip for the time. So that sip there look rich.
Sure. You always say not even Bill Gates rich, so.
No, star.
Not even Zuckerberg.
Crime if Bill Gates rich like this. You know, or Elon Musk.
Not even Mark Zuckerberg.
Guys, just look at this. We're not talking about soup down at the station. This is sip. Ital sip. Yes, man, if Elon Musk rich, so them lock him up.
Long time. I'm improving, I know. That's a small one.
Yeah. Yo, if Elon Musk rich like that soup, them lock him up. Me I tell you the truth. Me them tell them truth. So me I go and get the sip for the time being. So when time everything is ready. Look how rich it is.
And it was rich in a color, with food.
Look like a caramel porridge, man.
Damn,
man.
Damn.
Rich. It's so good to be home. Where the health food is.
But it is so good to be home. I real home there. I was by side home.
I 7 days a week I come to consume. 7 days a week. Hot. Yeah, man. Lava.
Alright, this are the meringue leaf. As always.
Some meringue leaf on it.
Some pumpkin seed on it.
Oh. Every double thing.
Some lightning, cause a long time you know there. So
Yeah, I mean. I want to sound well firm up.
Like it I said, long time I see him.
Lightning.
More red beam.
Boy, I'm going to swallow this right now. I'm going to lip it down like Mike Tyson.
No, don't do that yet.
Yeah, I can't do that yet though.
The
Yeah.
system working for all that.
Yeah.
I don't want to spoil the day.
Yeah.
Because they're smiling. No, I like that story.
Yeah.
It's
Smiling, yeah. So guys, we can jump on this lightning here, because trust me,
Make it come up.
it will hit me for 6.
Prepare feet again and work.
Yeah, so I first build back the
Stir
cover.
him up and
Alright guys, so see there, all eggs down the mix. So I go and sip this.
you know why.
Yeah, it's been a while. Been a waste.
Yeah, straight there reason man to walk in and what's I said to you? 15 months saying no.
Yeah, I tell you.
Kick.
Yeah, I tell you, start drop him back.
Yes, brother.
Yeah, I mean I say boy, only I'm gonna drop in on the day with the hot chocolate.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Yeah, that was Saturday.
Yeah, missed that, so I'm glad.
I talk to that boy, said the name double.
Double.
The man take a double of that. The man take a hundred yards, come on, man.
Hey, you have to tell me know the 100 already.
Yeah. Right.
So this I got circle the stomach first, guys, you know. I chickpea one this.
Well,
That's the yeah.
no, pumpkin, corn,
Okay.
coconut, dashing, cocoa,
Well,
yellow yam.
pumpkin, dashing, corn, coconut,
Yeah.
yellow yam, you know the thing. All the herbs as well to inside of it. Deal. It's so much thing in there, boost me up like supplement right now. Alright. Yeah man, the right time, you know? Yes guys. Yeah.
Real time, you know.
See, I tell you man, the right time to get that mushroom out of the system. Alright. We're gonna circle this thing and forward aye.
Listen, brother.
Yeah. Circle it up now.
Some people have it easy because some people have a start, some people have a driving force.
But the man never understand. The man never understand. Come on, tell you, my grandfather. School free.
Yes, believe. I just go to
Guys, so
I like told, like, it was coffee, straight,
guys, so here is the sip hot. So I get some sip first to second the stomach.
Yes, I know that one.
Oh, I missed this. I missed this. To miss this was to diss this. I really miss. Rich. This is so rich. I'm not even lying. So I'm gonna have this before the food. Sorry, this ain't the Korean. This is not this octopus. You know, this squid. But I try to tie up my tonsil. This one is different. So, see the food that come now, so I'm going to sip this. Ice rate in the building. See there?
But anytime you forward, you know, we always have something for you.
Yes, so this is the brand new almonds again.
We are get upgrade.
No GMO.
You see me, Seki?
Well, you know,
Almond, you know, it's not almond.
not almond. So you know them all get it twisted. So explain to them. So it's
Yeah,
not,
man. Yes.
it's not almond.
It's not almond.
Yeah.
Almond is the GMO one.
Yeah.
This is almond.
Almond.
Yeah, man. Real Jamaican talk. Almond.
Yeah. So the almond milk is GMO. And the almond nuts, what you say? A GMO.
A GMO.
Oh,
It's a
okay.
son
So them say. But these are the original ones.
Original level.
These are the
It's
original.
okay.
Mm-hmm.
I know. Anytime you forward on the portal, you always have things in stock for you. No, but I want to break up this one up.
Okay.
You see me? I say?
So these are the almond them we used to be the almond tree. We
Almond
eat
tree.
them and then this is the
Tropical
seed.
one. You see me? I say you
These
bust
are-
out them one. Sit down under the almond tree, bust them out to the stone and all.
Mm-hmm. Yes, because this is how we
You
use
see me? I
it.
say? That's how we usually do
So
the
this
thing that
can
we
make
do.
milk,
Yeah.
right?
You can
See?
use it same way like the almond
Yeah.
and make your own milk.
Alright.
But only thing this is not the GMO.
Mm-hmm.
You see me? I
This
say?
is the original. How
This
much
is the
how much you
original.
do one of these for now?
$500 man.
Okay, so see the guys.
You see me? I say? I
Man.
don't know, it's a time consuming thing.
Yeah, yeah. And it take you a long time
It
to
take you a
get
long time. You see
you
me?
get
So
them all
so the
looking like
whole of
this.
the whole of the works I'm put here.
Yeah.
A whole heap of works is
Of course. Of
So you know,
course.
Father Street, always working.
Always.
Always have something new.
Keep it moving. Now I take two of them.
After.
You know if I put it in a smoothie,
Yeah.
yeah, as a substitute for the almond and see what it's like. So, you know we always eat them like this.
Yeah.
You know, but we're gonna try literally blend it in a smoothie and see how it works.
Yeah, people blend it in them smoothie and go for smoothie and everything.
Yes.
I say. Yeah,
We're
man.
definitely gonna try it, man. High
Yeah,
street.
man. But the thing is, we start to export them, you know.
Yeah.
I just some EM them.
To export them.
Yeah, man. I have them in a supermarket and all them. We're going to thing, you know. We're going to mix them with all pumpkin seed, you know.
Oh,
You
wow.
don't know, pumpkin seed good for the prostate.
Yes, sir.
Man, good for you, the brain, everything. You see what I'm
Hey,
saying?
last time you did do one, you did literally
me
did mix it.
Me mix it.
Yeah, I mean, I said that
man,
the
so
bad as well,
just to
so.
put it in motion now.
Yeah.
Because it can go out there.
Can
See
flow
what
up on the
On the
ocean.
yes. You know, you love it, you know, you're an artist.
Yeah, I could never tomatoes. They were cut up in a
Yeah,
pot, you
man.
know.
But that's the aim, that's still.
Yeah.
To be an end chopper now.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Sure.
Alright, yeah, man. I gotta try it, definitely, for sure.
Yeah, man.
Gotta try that one, yeah. 1,000 along the block.
One
Well,
Father Street. No
Yeah, no lean. Forward. See, you're well forward.
You see it?
Aye, give an eye straight.
Business.
Mm-hmm.
Great.
Great.
So the thing can work.
Well, I'm gonna definitely try it. Remember, we always eat these as a youth, you know.
As a youth, sometimes say, I'm not try, you're going to try.
This time I'm gonna blend it in the smoothie.
So I'm not try, you're going to try.
No,
So
I already know it. Ah, see,
I
I
already know it.
see, I'm already, you know. Ready, we're ready.
Ready.
Ready, we're ready. The stadium is ready. The name New Level. New Level. Yeah, we last see something like this. You know what I mean? Everything is. This is Sunday. The red peas is Sunday. You know, Sunday, Monday here. We have Tuesday around here, which is the mushroom. You know, and Wednesday is a vegetable. Thursday, you know, we have the pumpkin there, so everything coming to Friday. Eh? It's a hide. See,
Big for that.
eh?
One more beer?
Yes, man. You can, yeah. More. You know, say I blend all, everything I put avocado in it. Yeah, man. You know the best thing for have for consume that morning?
No, we can't do that, you know. Yeah. You eat without wood, eh?
Of course.
Right.
Yeah.
With the black salt, it's worse.
You do the pink side. Eat one alone.
Yeah, I know so the best thing for consume the first thing in the morning. This, yeah. Gut food this. Gut food. Look at that. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Yeah. Why? I wonder they ever make it. They look like that food they created. It's been so long, so See the mushroom you hide. See it here.
Cheese!
Jeez. This is the mushroom, the substitute for the chicken. The chicken. Yeah. Yeah. This is the substitute for the chicken, not chicken.
I definitely hide it,
Yeah.
You don't want to just a skin out.
You know what I mean?
That's the look you see.
So here's the substitute for the chicken, aka chicken. This is the mushroom. Brown soup. It's been so long. Since it's so long. Guys, I feel like say it's forever. The last time I had something like this. Yes, man. Yes, man. Seems like forever. Coconut in the beetroot. Trust me, if you're a liar, you make it talk truth. Quinoa. Here. Well, all the coconut upgrade. Yeah, come and call the coconut upgrade.
Oh, the shredded.
Yeah.
Man, a long time, the tongue not really.
Yeah. Oh, that's why. That's why.
Welcome to that.
Yeah. Guys, you know what?
Oh, yeah, man. Oh, yeah.
I dad.
No, I like the canyon and coconut.
What? Guys, you know, like, maybe because for a long time I've been happy. But me, I tell you, everything was rich, natural. Please don't. I really. Everything tastes upgrade.
Tell you what, everything upgrade, man.
Everything.
Yeah.
It was over a month, you know, I nothing like this, you know, brother.
Remember them meeting a song, you know, say everything upgrade. So all the food.
Guys, right now I'm telling you, it seems like I was really missing this. So I'm sure I got the pumpkin now. Pumpkin here. All right. I really don't know what to say. But you know what? Avocado. Yeah. Wow. So guys, this the mushroom. See, it look like chicken. We call it chicken. You know. So this is the chicken. You know. Look at it. Brown stew down. You know what I mean?
Nothing like mushroom. Why am I saying that Portland?
Guys,
When I think that fresh man of look for some land.
right now, my taste bud them is getting crazy because it's been a while my taste bud don't even get something like this. You know? Wow. Jeez. Not even lying. Even the red peas here, the Sunday. Nice like you eat it on a Monday. So you have the boiled plantain right here. Boiled plantain. Look. No. The brown soup. Trust. Boy, everything tastes new to me. Nah, lie.
Yes, mushroom is another one of my madness.
Yeah, the portobello. They're not giving a flavor they will like, but this give me that. So I say stick to this right now.
Guys,
Go back there, sir.
I'm going to eat.
The best, man.
And I will get back to you after I finish eat, right? Right now, I need to enjoy this. Guys, remember Ibo Spice. You can Instagram Ibo Spice. You come on Orange Street, 131 Orange Street. You know, that's where you find Ibo Spice, 131 Orange Street. You can Instagram Ibo Spice, IBO Spice. Trust me, where everything is nice. You come here once, you have to come here twice. You hear that? You come here once, you have to come here twice, thrice. Even the mice always come here. Hear me, Jonathan? One on. Hello.
Can I ask you where you take the natural juices?
Natural juices here.
Here inside?
Yeah, the shop.
Okay, thank you.
Alright guys, so I finished. Here I got my natural juices, I got my beetroots, my herbalade, and you know everything go to quench the head. You know, and I finished, so I'm gonna be heading into Trenchtown now, you know, to get some stuff. Yes, I aspect. Yeah man, every time. Yeah. Come to get the good food. They are dancers. Hello. So guys, you see, look, people from all over the world come get the healthy food right here. Healthy food. All over the world, everyone want to eat healthy. Why not? You all should be eating healthy. So I'm gonna head in Trenchtown and go get the ice cream and thing before I literally go to the barber shop first, you know, and everything. But I am good now. I'm full. I am nice. I am glad I had some Ivo Spice food as well too. So I'm feeling good. One Rasta Jacks, yes, just come in.
Come in, come back and come back. I go special for last night, just so you know.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, it's just found the quiet job up right now.
Alright, me I found.
Yeah.
Yes.
Sleep at a sleep, you know.
Again?
Just done there.
Jaja. So I pay bathing hours, me always a forward. Every time I forward, these guys having a shower. I don't know if my use as excuse Jackson to lock up in the house.
True, man. Yeah, I'm not lie.
He's using the excuse.
No, I don't time my mom will because I come from the time we will lock up.
Okay.
Yeah, we will lock up them time, yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, we can cool out because I don't know what to do anything.
Yeah.
Because look, every time we pass the hours, I'm not like, always lock up.
Yeah, because I'm wondering, you know.
Yeah, man, we lock up the two, man.
So Pinedo is on the road as well.
Yeah, boom,
And boom, you reach as yet. Go back yourself for a minute, so. So guys, so we're back here in the building. Oh, the sun is hot still, man, alright. Come out of that sun, yeah. Alright guys, so I'm here in Trenchtown. Now. You know, it's still early, the sun hot. A lot of the members them is not off the road as yet. Only Jackson is here so far. Yeah, see the Jackson is here, you know.
Big up our family level, yeah.
Yeah.
Extended family, yeah. We love them every time. Big up all our family.
Aye.
All our family. We don't say friend, a family.
Family we say.
Family, we don't say friend.
That's how we say extended family.
That's how we say
you know?
extended family. What we say genius?
Extended family.
Extended family. All the sunset, all the world.
Sunrise Steve and everybody.
All of the extended family, extended family level. Loving every time, huh?
Alright.
Yeah. Kino. More
Yeah.
love every time, Kino.
Yeah, man.
So love conquer all.
Of course, of course.
Yes, I love we say.
Yes, sir.
Love the family.
Love and love alone. Alone, guys. So I want to go get the ice cream as well too. So Esther is not even here as yet, so everybody's still at work. So I guess the day is kind of early seeing me. Yeah. So the day is still kind of early seeing me. So Esther is not home as yet. So I'm going to give it a little bit of time. When them get here, I can go get the ice cream and also give Ginger a donation that I got for him as well too. You know, and get some. Need to get the popcorn, sugar. Got a list of a lot of stuff we need to get. So we're not going to be able to get everything today, but tomorrow again and the day after and the other day, we're going to continue to get the stuff them till when they will literally cross the line and get everything. You know, and also we have the street as well too, because remember this is where the back to school treat is going to be keeping, you know, and this street. So eventually we're going to clean up all the place. You know, everything's going to be cleaned up. All of these cars is not going to be on the street, you know, because, you know, I've spoken to the owners and give them a heads up and give them a notice that we're going to need available off the street as well for keeping the back to school treat, you know. So to them we're going to need a space because we can't afford for the car them being here or we're keeping the treat and the kids them that's going to be running up and down to damage any one car. So, you know, so we cannot take that responsibility. So the only thing I could do is just ask them to just give me a few hours out here, you know, with the kids them doing the treat, and then after now they can come back and park whenever everything is completed. So as you can see how the place look right now, that's, you know, but we're going to start do every little thing day by day as the day goes by, you know, to get the place clean up and ready for the occasion, which is going to ready for the occasion, you know. So we already start preparation and all of that, so everything is going to happen, you know. So on the day you're going to see there's no cars at all is going to be on the street. So we're going to have 2 bouncer castle and a trampoline, you know, and plus we're going to have so many foods, books and bags and everything for the kids them as well too. We're going to have some envelope for the kids them that pass, you know, for the scholarship as well from the overcomers, you know. And I say I want to thank our extended family, you know. So we just want to take the time out and thank our extended family them that that donated towards the back to school treat as well too. You know, you have Little You, you have Country, you have an Unknown, you also have Anonymous, you have Jazz, you know, and you also have the Kiwanis as well too from Miramar, Ava and the team from Miramar as well too, that contributed towards the bags them and also from last year. I just have Esther pulling up as well too. Just reach. We want to go get the ice cream.
Mother mental melt out of the car.
Our?
Salt. What is something here? Like a smelling salt. You know?
Oh.
Yeah, look a nice melty flavor again. A crystal, you know? And it melt.
This is for what? If you take?
For smell, when she have bad feeling. But
Oh.
I think a crystal.
It smells like, what you call it? Vicks?
Yeah, some minty something.
It smells like Vicks.
Stink.
It smells like Vicks.
So if you're stuffy, I come in here, it clear you.
Cleared.
Yeah.
Should I get ice cream?
Yeah, I want to get the ice cream then. Yeah.
Could I buy it?
Yeah, I'm going to buy it now.
You never put against nothing, you know? We melt.
So yes, our Geo fridge, we're going to put them in the your fridge.
In there.
No, I'm going to ask him as well.
Yeah, ask him.
Yeah.
But come could I put the chips? You want the other fridge and put the ice cream within the ice cup already.
Which other fridge? Well, I get about 4 boxes of ice cream, no, about 4 boxes. I get about 4 boxes. The 4 boxes not going to hold in the fridge. Four not going to hold, see me. Your fridge not going to hold the 4.
Oh.
I remember it's small.
Or ask No, the big fridge out just a minute.
The one pan your veranda?
Yeah,
The
upstairs.
ice, the
just
two
so.
ice.
Yeah, the four.
Yeah, the ice.
4 naga hold in there.
Because I take out the chips there
And put them around there?
Yeah, I can't all signal with it.
Okay. Well, you have to see then. And see if you have the space.
One time you come here, you talk about something, say, "Mom, it's space in the place to put the
Yeah.
Yeah, I tell you.
So. Alright, so basically we're gonna get that sorted out as well too. And we still have the hot dog, the franks them to go and get as well too. So we can't do everything yet because the list is long for the stuff them that we need to get. You know, for this slushy machine and also for the snow cone, you know, and for the popcorn. We're gonna need a lot of stuff for those things as well too. So we're taking our time, bob and wheel, and getting the things that we're gonna need. You know, so let's go get the ice cream and come back. So let me go see Jinjin first, you know, and see if he's out the bathroom by now. Jinjin! Yes, finally finished fresh.
Yeah, man.
Come like from yesterday, yeah.
One time with that time I say you want it to come early or late, but I just want to wash off and yeah, come, brother.
It's come like from yesterday, yeah, shower. Come on.
Yes, man.
I get just finally come out of the shower.
That man is it.
Yeah. Yeah,
So,
yeah.
everything alright.
Yeah, man. Yeah, back on the ground, you know the thing goes, you know.
See, I tour the whole of our sister. I love the settings and things.
Yeah.
I love the view as well, too, brother. I see it.
Yeah.
After that exposure they get to Kenya, you know.
Cool,
I
man.
definitely need that, my brother, man. I see it.
Toronto home, you know. I'm home away from home, just like England, you know. And also America, so I'm homes them.
Alright, my bro.
I'm homes them.
I see I go around all Toronto, all boat, and the amount of people recognize you, brother.
Yeah.
Let me show you how big the thing is. I see him, bro.
Yeah, man. Sure,
Yeah, charge the cars. When I see you there in the carnival and them things, the amount of people when I see.
Yeah.
And them recognize the instant, bro. You see me? So it's a good look to see that, my brother, man. Trust me,
Yeah,
man.
man. Everywhere we go, the people them always recognize
Yeah,
the
bro,
Jinjin,
man.
you
Love
know.
that, man. Charge man.
And you notice them always talk about Jinjin as well. To say, yo,
yeah, man, I true, man. Like the hell that big me up and I say, yo, big up Jinjin in the bed and bless myself for father. You hear that?
Yeah.
Man. I want to respect, man, every time, man. I
So,
say,
you know, the thing of the love is always out there, so we have to
definitely, bro,
always give
man.
thanks.
Definitely charge him. I love to see that charge him. I like the view to you, see me?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, I like the view of the place. What it look nice and you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, it's a family oriented place, so it's nice, you know.
I see it, man.
Yeah, and a bag of Ray and a Tete, so it's a good look. It's a good look. But me so over there already start.
I
I'm look for vibes.
have the back to school thing.
And work for David, so
yes,
you know what so it go.
I don't know you have to
The
come
purpose, the
back,
beauty you have to take on.
Can
So.
that trip, can I get another trip, brother?
Yeah, man, in due time, in due time.
I come back again and I can visit there again.
Yeah.
So much lovely people, whatever, brother, man. You see?
Trust.
Caring and loving, dog. You see what I'm saying?
Yeah.
And the one last one we showed the accident down him something, bro. Just go full of the hell of the alright and you know?
Yeah.
And good and such, cause I don't know when I like to see them something there, you see?
That's true.
Yeah,
Hopefully everything good and thing, you know.
Definitely, bro, man.
So you know, preparation day, so we still going prepared. So I have a donation for you as well to someone saying 3,500. This is from Vicky from the UK. You know, send 3,500 here for you. So that's Vicky from the UK.
Vicky from the UK. What if I love and manners, respect, blessings to this. Really appreciate it a lot, you see me? Yeah, cause right now, big man thinking my gas done, you know.
Yeah.
This me I forgot to come buy my gas, you see me?
Yeah.
Gas run out if I'm ready to cook, I'm trying to run to look for food, but I don't really watch it, because I know I'm soon balance it, you see me?
Yeah.
Yeah, man, but definitely I have to go buy, I have to take this and buy my gas, because the gas done for me already, you see me, bro?
Yeah.
Yeah, man, so Vicky, all the respect and love. It's really saying we can buy me gas right now, man. You see me? So really respect that and appreciate that a lot, you see me? I hope the food basket never empty, you see me? And to all of me donors them, all the team.
Extended family.
Yeah, man, what if I respect and love, man.
We say
yeah,
family.
Man, extended family, man, you see me?
Yeah.
Extended family.
We say one family and that's the thing
so,
there.
you know what the thing, man, Vicky, again, what if I respect and love. I really appreciate love this, you see me? Yeah, man, you can give me a strength by buying me gas and you see me balance up a Keenan, you know what I mean?
Yeah, man, cool, man.
Yeah, man, so I want love Keenan, man, and respect every time, yeah. Man, I see him, bro.
I'm see you do your little hustling.
Yeah, man, I'm selling
Yeah.
sweet to them, man. You don't
Selling
think
his sweets,
that
guys.
after I try to do something like you see
Yeah,
me?
yeah.
We might get some more sweetie feed cars. We definitely want some maybe some new.
Yeah.
Some foreign sweetie and things.
I know say if they ever tell me, could I bring you some sweets?
Say, okay, bring us
Eh?
some foreign sweetie. Because look up at them and ask for them type of sweetie. You see me?
Yeah. If they tell me, I bring some.
I'm giving two people foreign sweetie. I'm sell them and I love it. Some foreign sweetie, them gravitate to the foreign sweetie. Them, you know?
Yeah. I'm sure you never tell me, man. If you never tell me, man.
Trust me, because I know where I bring it from.
Of course, man, I bring some sweet.
sweet.
So you can go and do your hustling. And that was me. I think I just said, you know, brother, see if you can get some sweet
but
to me.
If I fake I'm not really want to take care
You send me a message.
You see me?
You send me a message, so we'll see the message. And a sweetie is a thing where it's in every shop you go.
Yeah.
So a simple thing that anywhere you go, sweetie is in your eyes, right over there, you know. That's a one thing that them put in your face.
Yeah.
Cause the kids them pure sweet. I could have even close to your inner when you say it's close.
Yeah.
Along the checkout is a pure sweetie line out. What? Sweetie like sugar, that's pure sugar. Pure sugar. Yeah man, sugar for days. Alright then, Jin. So you know the thing now, can I grab some ice cream and all for the kids them?
Alright.
You know? And get something prepared.
Yeah? And to the extended family, again, blessings, respect every time.
Yeah.
Vicky, what do you call love, yeah?
Yes, alright.
To the art. You see me?
Alright.
Alright, Kina, respect my brother.
Yeah, man. Alright.
Yeah.
Alright guys, so it's time for me to go get this ice cream and come back because Esther have to go on the road as well to pick up our mom in a minute. So I'm going to make sure we're going to do this quick and fast before our mom call her, you know, where she's going to literally need to go and pick up our mom from the dialysis as well too, because her mom is getting dialysis treatment, you know. So I think Pinedo just reached. Yeah man, Pinedo just reached as well too, and Boom, I don't think Boom reached as yet, you know. Oh, Esther gone?
Yeah, she said she gone for her mother.
Oh yeah, because she have to go pick up her mommy. Pinedo just reaching the building.
One man, you see me, I say me there, man, my family man. Manners and respect, love, you hear that?
Yes, yes.
So that's how come off of the work, you know?
Yes, which is right. On the roast.
Yes,
you know the thing with the roast have to
yeah, man, the roast have to go on, you know?
It have to go on. Eh?
Yeah, I'm going to come.
Oh, Gia gone over there?
To my bike phone number.
Okay. And Boom.
Boom,
Now come for now.
Boom now come for now.
Yeah, man, a night before Boom them come, because them gone over Oliver and gone to the dig out, they chop out the water and the thing them.
And they gone over Winston too?
Yeah, man.
So now,
Because I need it to go about through my work.
yeah.
Yeah, me just make Boom go on.
Okay, come the thing the same thing you gone with Orius.
No.
Yeah, too. Like, how is that?
Yeah, Orius the gone, but that was Orius and Pinedo did for go.
Yeah.
But you have my work, yeah, my personal work, I have to go do. Yeah, so we just make Boom go
All
on.
them kind of boom out there, all of them.
Yeah, that makes sense. At least you see the work still has spread around.
Yes,
You know? So him could do it, say no, say Boom gone on it. You know, Rasta Jackson just come off his work. So you know the thing goes so. So the work have to always take on, see me. Anyway you take it, the work have to take on, you know. So Gio,
So ready?
your fridge stay? Oh, you have anything in it?
Only past this in
Cause you know so the ice cream it have literally can't do yeah, because it gonna melt.
Yeah.
It now gonna freeze.
No man, that deep freeze there.
Okay.
What's
Alright then, so I go up at the same place like how Esther gonna pick up her mother. We make that round and come back then. We grab them and come back.
So me have to make somebody put up. Get some up. I mean I go party my funeral Sunday. Yeah.
So you now send a local one.
You might be there. Your mother will come after it, so she will be there too.
Yeah, if I'm just send the local one. Because we are trying to have, because what we're trying to do, we definitely want to have just one line, more than have 3 different lines or 4 different lines. Just want to have one line.
You're going to save one line and go there.
No, but I said I forgot work because if you're in the one, nobody not get anything. Yeah.
Big people are going to fix too. Discipline thing.
A discipline. So once one line we have, everybody can get something. And there's one long line we're going to have along the stretch. Yeah, make sure put the younger one them up in one line. Because it causes too much problem when we have 3-4 lines in front of the table. Bag of push from left to right and people I get pushed over upon the thing. So
To the line. And then you see somebody from back come out.
yeah, and everybody I get them unmarked as well too. So we get a marker. So we're gonna have a marker, mark each and every one that receive a bag. So nobody can jump the line and come back because things happen so fast sometimes when the rush starts, you know, cause trust me, if you guys know, whenever we keep him back to school treat, it's a big rush when the bags them start to give out. But this time we have to organize it a bit more of one single file line with the younger kids them up front first, and then we have the dream team members and just make sure so them watch the line and nobody not jump the line or anything. But we have to have that, otherwise it's gonna be too much confusion giving out the bags and stuff. You know, so we're gonna try our best, you know, if everybody can get some. If everybody cannot get, we'll make sure so we keep them named and we have some other bags that the barrel not reach it.
Yeah, man. Yes,
Yeah.
sir. Yes, sir.
The overcomers send a barrel again with some more bags, and also Ava, you know, from the Miramar also have some bags as well too. So if any kids wanna get any bag, we're gonna take their name, have a list, and when the bags them arrive, we'll just give it to them individual same way. You know? Jamaica hot. I mean after I drink water. So best head love. Alright guys, so we're here at the ice cream spot. Service.
Yeah.
Hello. Hello. We're doing a kids treat. So I need some ice cream. So we need some nice kids flavor for both young boys and girls.
How much cream?
What
size?
4 bucks.
Okay.
Need 4 bucks. Eh?
Big box or small box?
Big box. Big box.
So it's 4,000 baht.
Yeah. Let me see the big box.
So you want kiddies flavor, right?
Yeah, kiddies flavor.
Just a forward a while ago, you know,
Big box.
Okay, yeah, 4 of them. Yeah. Which flavor that one is?
Chocolate chip. And your
Cookie.
cookie.
Yeah. Kids them like grape nut. Kids like grape nut. No, kids mostly like things with color, you know.
Pineapple, orange pineapple.
Yeah, them like cookie and cream. Orange pine, yeah.
Strawberry.
Pistachio or banana split.
Pistachio or banana split.
Strawberry.
Pistachio or banana split.
Yeah.
Give me the banana split.
The pistachio that be the green color one.
Green one, right?
Yeah. Pistachio that be the
You feel like them like the green one? Pistachio?
Yeah, man.
If you, alright, give me the pistachio then.
You love color.
You love color.
Be myself.
Yeah. How much for your cones? How,
950 per box.
how much in the box?
100.
950 per box. Give me. Cause we're gonna use mostly cup. So give me 2 of the box then.
2 box one.
Yeah. Cause we're gonna use mostly cup. And you have spoon, right?
Yeah.
How much come in the, how much spoon in the pack?
25.
25. So in about 8 pack. Yeah, about 8 pack. 8 packers. And you have the cup them, right?
Yeah. 15 a pack.
15 a pack.
Yeah.
How much for a pack?
200.
200 in a pack.
200 for the pack. 15 a pack.
No, I said how much inside the pack of
50.
Oh, 50. And 200 a pack.
Yeah.
Alright, so give me 1, 2, 3, 4, 8 pack. Give me 8 pack.
I will have 7 ounce and 9 ounce. Which one?
Oh, and the ice cream one for the kids then. The 7 ounce are the bigger one.
No,
7
9
ounce
ounce
are the
bigger.
small one.
Yeah, give me 7 ounce.
The 7 ounce are the normal put them will drink.
Yeah, that one there.
How much spoon is this?
8 pack of spoon. Woo. Now so that son a murder. The son a murder. That's it.
$20,140.
20,000.
140.
140. 20,140. Here. $20,140. Where's your window? To the left, to the left. To the left, right? Okay.
Wow, so you're strong. Creamy.
Creamy.
Sleep on number 5 or number 7. Well on.
Get the cup and the spoon and the cones.
Bourbon cup them. Oh, that's it I say.
So that's 100. 100. That's 200 and plus we have a cut there. Pinedo, fly the back. I think the back.
Smaller kids, they might get no cup.
Yeah, thank you, yeah?
Give me an island flavor at the moment.
But the seat need to go down? Is that alright?
See, it's strong Pineda.
then it gets
Put
strong.
a little pound from what day, you know.
Oh man, put that flat, Gio. Put that one there flat.
Put a pound from what day, man.
Let's put it flat.
Oh, right then.
Put a little bit from what day. You must say a whole heap of food they give me from what day, you know. Yeah, man, put a little pound, man, you know.
Yeah, push them. They say you're not going to drop again. Ice cream Sunday. Yeah. Alright then.
Alright then, so we just got the ice cream then, you know, get 4 bags of ice cream. You get two cones, 2 pack of cones, which is 100 in our bags each, right? So that total will be 200, and get mostly cups, you know, because we know most of them want the cups, because they realize the cups, they probably get more in the cup, you know, so we're gonna have the cups so we can give them different flavors. So cause you know mostly someone like the cone, the bigger boys, and probably want the cup as well too. So we got that done, and we have so much more stuff to go and get. So liquor by liquor, you know, tomorrow again we're on the road again to get the popcorn stuff and the other stuff and that we're gonna need and everything, you know. So we just reach back over there. So Rasta Jackson and Gio and Pinedo, you know. So I'm gonna go on the road quickly and circle back again. So I'm gonna make a run quick and then come back as well too, you know. So you know the thing go. You're not scanning the car park then, man. I will have 3 up there, so. Hello? Awa? I look help your daughter. What can I help? Yeah, do I?
Beg money for buy something that I eat, please.
Does she eat? You want to buy food?
Yeah.
What's your name? Stacy. You not trick me?
No, sir.
A lot of people try to trick you, you not trick me though.
No, darling.
And I get $2,000 here.
Very much here, darling.
Yeah?
God bless and take care of yourself.
Alright then.
Can you get a number, please?
You want a number for me?
Yeah.
Why?
And be a friend.
Want to be a friend?
Yeah. Thank you.
Pray for me, right?
Alright, darling. What's your name?
Kino.
Kilo. I pray for you, yeah?
Alright then. Alright, take care.
Okay, darling.
Yeah,
God
man.
bless you.
Alright. Imagine this guy, right? That lady that just agreed the $2,000, like she see me out of so many people and she asked me, but I guess she been here and she been asking, you know, so that must be the reason. So I gave her the $2,000, you know, because she want to buy something for her daughter. So as I said to her, hope you're not tricking me, I tell a lie, but I still give her with a good conscience, see me. But at the same time, after I give her and she's walking off, these other gentlemen and some men that stand there, but they can't go in now, you know, nobody come back, boy, you know, like literally running the same lady that I just gave the money to, and say that she can't go in now, she not for come back, boy. But you see the mentality of some people, like, you don't know what some people is literally going through, because people literally have hard times, you know, but And for those gentlemen to be running the lady as well because I gave her the money. He's saying that she can't go on now, she's not supposed to come back. The mentality of some people, like literally, some of them does it, probably use them kids and probably tell a lie, but who are me to know? I cannot judge, I cannot tell that if literally, if they're telling a lie or what, you understand? So I always leave literally all the judgment to the Almighty because I only can see what's in front of me and what I can feel. So my heart did tell me to give it to her and I gave it to her, so that's it anyway. But for them gentlemen running the lady after I gave it to her, they should have been the one that give her something while she's been there. So I'm here back at my barber to get a little sharp haircut, back to the road, hopefully. It's a good thing I reach literally on time, so I am next. So if I come a minute later, like before we finish, after I'm finished, I probably will have to wait a longer while. So I am next, and that is good. So I can get a quick cut, then go on the road, and then night market. I'm gonna pass through night market to get all my stuff from so I don't have to go to the night market to get my D tax, my A tax, B tax, C tax, D tax, E tax, FG tax, all the taxes I can get, to back to purge back my system and up and running again. So get a quick cut, and then let you guys know how
Make it back in 5 minutes for play. Okay. What? Hey, Omar. This one is new.
This can't manage him. This can't manage him, Yeah, depends if you that. Wait till him get a little bigger. I tell him to go and sit down, daddy. I want to hear daddy. This me there attack. This can't manage him at all. Yeah, guys, I'm gonna get a line up. Let me see what I'm going to finish. Shit, got my hair cut. It's a bit light up. So. Me have to. Yeah, so. Young and fresh again, keep the thing fresh. It's been so many weeks from I've been into Canada. I've been shaved once, so now I get back after head to the barbers and brush off some of the bush so I can look like Mummy Michelle Pitney, so I have to brush off a bit. So now I look exactly like Mummy Michelle Pitney, right? Yes, Mummy Michelle Pitney. So I'm gonna head off.
Watch out now, you see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we'll make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.